Okay, last thing for CG1 prep is building out the credits. So what you want to do is go to each song. So the first song of this week's set is Call Upon the Lord. You hit editor right up here. And you want to copy that first slide, the credit slide. Go to close. And then the first black slide after the worship credit slide, you just hit Command V to paste. So now it's in there, and then you go to the second song, which is Be Strong. You do 2 songs per slide. Hit enter twice, hit paste. So now you have both songs in there, but the font and the size is not correct. So you want to highlight it all, hit Helvetica. It is Helvetica. You could do regular font, size 58. No spacing, so 0, 0, 0. And it does not need to be all caps, so you can uncheck that. But it does need to be aligned center, horizontally and vertically. Very cool. Now, because this sermon, there is a white-ish slide for the worship credit loop, you want to make sure the font is black. It'll depend on the series, but this one's black. And then you go to the second slide, and you do the other 2 songs, so Still God, copy. Go to the second one, paste. And then here again is the last song of the set. Copy it all, Command C. And then right under that, you'll hit enter twice. Command V to paste. And the same thing. Command A is a shortcut to highlight it all. Helvetica, regular, 58 size. Everything else is 0. And it's not caps. And you want to make sure, again, it's center aligned both vertically and horizontally. And the font is black. So now everything's correct. You can hit editor to get out of edit mode. You won't see anything because it's black font on a black slide. But what you do need to do, you need to hit Command, click these 2 slides, whatever has font on it or lyrics on it. You'll highlight both of those, you hit right click, and you hit go to next timer, 7 seconds. So the duration is 7. Hit done. So that means it'll advance to the next slide after 7 seconds. You go to, so you add another black slide, and you can just add blank slides right here by hitting plus. You want to make sure you have one extra, one blank one basically. You'll right click that, go to next timer, 2 seconds. That one's 2. And you'll also want to do a transition with a dissolve. So the first one dissolve. So you just right click, hit transitions, and it's a dissolve. And then the very last slide is the actual splash. The full splash, you'll right click that one, hit media properties. So this one's media properties. Hit this little button right here. You want to do an effect, and it is a dissolve. So it should be a green dissolve on that one. So it should look like this. If you hit the worship credit slide, hit the right arrow, I'll maximize it. You have credits. After 7 seconds, it should automatically advance, which it does. After another 7 seconds, it should go to a blank slide for 2 seconds and then transition onto the splash. And that's it. Command 1, get out of it. And that's it for credits.